Have you ever felt like you're doing everything you can to grow your business, but nothing seems to be working? You're posting content, you're trying to get engagement, you're trying to generate leads, you're trying to follow up with people, but somehow you are still stuck. And maybe you're starting to think, maybe I'm not just that good enough. But what if the problem isn't that you can't? What if you simply haven't learned how to turn the problems you're facing into stepping stones? Today, my friends, I want to share a very simple story about a farmer and a donkey. And there's a powerful business lesson inside it that I think every entrepreneur needs to. By the end of this video, my friend, I want you to understand three things: how to respond when your business isn't growing, how to turn setbacks into opportunities, and why having the right direction matters just as much as taking action. And if you're a coach, entrepreneur, or business owner trying to build your visibility, generate leads, and grow your business, subscribe to this channel because that's exactly what we're going to talk about. Hi, my friends. My name is Froy. 2 years ago, I was working in a corporate teaching setup, handling over 40 to 50. Eventually, my friends, I did shift into online teaching and spent about a year working as an ESL teacher, connecting with students from different places. But something changed for me in 2020. I started connecting with entrepreneurs, coaches, and business owners from different parts of the world. And I began seeing something very interesting. Many business owners weren't lacking passion, they weren't lacking ideas, they weren't lacking ambition, but many were struggling with visibility, consistency, lead generation, customer follow up, and converting attention into actual business opportunity. Those are exactly the kinds of challenges I became passionate about solving. And my friends, that's what eventually shaped my work as a digital growth strategist, helping businesses build, generate, create systems, and support growth. And that's where this story comes in. One day, a farmer's donkey fell into a well. The donkey cried for hours. The farmer tried to figure out what to do. Eventually, my friend, he decided the donkey was old and the well needed to be covered anyway. So he called his neighbors. They grabbed their shovels and started throwing dirt into the well. At first, my friends, the donkey panicked. But then something incredible happened. The donkey became quiet. Every time a shovel of dirt landed back, he shook it off, took another shovel of dirt. He shook it off, took another step, again, till eventually the donkey had climbed high enough to step right out of the well. The very dirt that was supposed to bury him became the steps that helped him. And I think entrepreneurs like you or us can learn something powerful from it. Because building a business comes with a lot of dirt. Maybe you're posting consistently, but nobody's engaging. That's dirt. Maybe people are watching your content, but nobody is becoming a lead. Definitely a dirt. Maybe my friends, you're not converting them. That's a dirt. Maybe you're overwhelmed because you're trying to manage different social media handles all at the same time. That's dirt too, my friend. But here's the question. What are you going to do with that? You can allow those problems to bury you, or you can use them as information. My friends, shake it off. Look at what's not working. Learn from it. Adjust. Take another step. But there's one more important lesson. The donkey didn't just shake the dirt off. He took a step. He pivoted. Okay? The donkey pivot. And that's where I believe alignment becomes important, because taking action isn't enough. You need to know, who am I trying to reach? What am I trying to achieve? And what action should I take next? Because you can create hundreds of posts and still have no strategy. You can generate thousands of views and still have no leads. You can have followers and still have no customers. That's why my approach is not simply post more, It's about building a system that connects traffic, content, lead capture, funnel automation, customer nurturing, and sales conversion. And that's the foundation of the aligned digital growth. My friends, let me ask you something. What is the biggest dirt you're dealing with in your business right now? Is it visibility, content, leads, sales, or maybe consistency? Just comment one word below. I'd love to know what exactly you're currently working. And if you're watching this because you're tired of trying random strategies and you want a more structured way to grow, that's exactly what I help businesses with. I help businesses build stronger online visibility, create driven SEOs, generate, build funnels, distribute content across platforms, and improve customer communication. That's actually depending on where you are in your growth journey. I have different levels of support from starter to growth to scale. And for businesses ready to build a more complete growth ecosystem, my scale offer brings together funnel systems, lead generation, strategy, content distribution, customer engagement, automations, and optimization. And if you want to learn more, check the link or you can DM me directly. And remember, my friends, life is going to throw dirt at you. Business is going to throw dirt at you. The question isn't whether the dirt will come. The question is, what will you do with it? Just like the story of the farmer and the donkey, you shake it off. Take the next step. You keep growing. And of course, my friends, if this video helped you, like, subscribe, watch the next. I'll see you there. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.